Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone screen is stuck on the notification screen and you are unable to do anything on your iPhone, then we are going to do only one step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. Now what we have to do, we have to force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. If you have latest one, then quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After force restart, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.